This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Claudia Magdalena Dybala. The property will be available for occupancy on or after May 5, 2024. Rare Blackburn Cove Condo is now available. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath boasts privacy. The open floor plans provide plenty of Florida sunshine throughout the home and beautiful views of the woods and pond. Enjoy the quiet on your screened-in, first-floor lanai while watching the sun go down. The main bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a large tiled shower and walk-in closet. The laundry room includes a utility sink, washer, dryer, along with cabinets for storage and counters to fold your laundry. Freshly painted, new stainless steel appliances, and new carpet in both bedrooms. Enjoy swimming in the heated community pool and relax with a book in the poolside cabana. Blackburn Cove is located within 2 minutes of Nokomis Beach, bike trails including Legacy Bike Trail, and shopping. Close proximity to the Marina, Sherer State Park, and very close proximity to the brand new hospital in Nokomis/Venice. Come see today. The tenant is responsible for paying the electricity bill, according to the regulations set by the association.